The first step in making a good paella is what we call the sofrito. A sofrito is typically onions that are sauteed, garlic, tomatoes, and bell peppers. I don't have a bell pepper today, but that's okay. You don't need it. In this case, we're just going to saute some onions. So what about the tomatoes? You can use canned diced tomatoes like I'm using one. I happen to have some old cherry tomatoes that were well past their prime. I'm putting them in there. The star ingredient of this is saffron, which we're going to use to flavor the rice with. But you can't just take raw saffron and put it in. What you're going to do is you're going to use your stock, or in my case, I'm just going to use hot water because you don't need to buy stock. Watch this. Brush it between your hands. Saffron is worth more per ounce than uranium. Hey, I pre-baked some chicken thighs, which I'm now putting in there, which is just going to add to the flavor. This one is going to be chicken. The other one is going to be seafood, but you can make one vegetarian, as you can see. This is the special rice from the Valencia region of Spain. It's called Bombas rice. You can get it at some finer grocery stores or from places that sell it, Middle Eastern rice or Amazon, which is where I got mine. All you need to do now is add the water. You can also add vegetable stock or chicken stock or a little bit of wine. Now we're going to bring it to a boil, and then for about 6 minutes, then we're going to let it simmer and soak up all those wonderful juices. I sous vide the scallops so they're ready to go. I'm going to add them to our paella, along with some shrimp.
But I do have a couple of dresses.
So, I added some shrimp that was kind of raw deveined, and we're just letting it turn that nice color. And for the last 2 minutes, we're putting this on high. The whole idea is to make that rice stick to the bottom, because sticky rice, sucarat, is the best part.